Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, it's a part 6 of chapter of nature and significance of management. In the part 5, I will explain to you the level of management. On that one part, you have to be studied in the management level, three types of level there. First is there top level of management, second is middle level of management, and third is bottom level of management or a lower level of management or a supervisory level or a operational level of management. So now today I have taken a very easy and very small topic because after this two chapter you will study up in a part A functions of management, and today our topic is functions of management. So function of management in the view of distribution of the work of the management has to be channelized. The functions of the channelized or the management, the five functions of management, those especially have to be studied in the part A after the two chapter. First is there planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So my dear friends, first functions of management is planning. So planning is the primary functions of the management. It is a mental exercise of the management because under the plan the management has to be set to all the objectives, and those objectives want to be achieved at the time of the starting of the organizations. They have to be decided during the planning. So planning is a process what to do, how to do, when to do and who is going to do it. Other meaning of planning is a bridge element. Planning is a bridge element where we are stand and where we want to be reached. It means student, planning is a process. Today, what is a plan? What is the objective? And after the follow the planning, where we want to be reached, it is under the planning. So, in this video class, I am not to be explain briefly. The meaning is enough for this one chapter. Next is there organizing. Organizing is the side functions of the management. First, the management team will be do the planning. After the planning, they have to be organizing. They have to be the function of the organizing. Under the organizing, they have to be organized. All the resources, we can say resources of financial resources, human resources or physical resources, by bringing to all together for the achieving the goal under the organizing. Next is here functions of management is staffing. So staffing is a process for the recruitment of the staff for the fulfill the vacant post. It means staffing is the putting right person at the right job at on the right time. It is the main definition, is the main meaning, putting the right person to the right job at on the right time. Under the staffing, employee recruitment, motivation and incentives, perks, salaries, promotions, all the process are involving are studied in the under the functions of staffing. Next functions of management is directing. Directing is a very important functions of the management because all the work is done by the employee, and it is a very essential process of instructing, guiding, motivating and leading employees in any organization to achieve their objective by their efficiently or by their effectively manner. So students, directing after the appointment of the newly staff, that time they have to need for the motivation to the work. If the employee are down the morale for do the work, so it is a work for the directing management. The management has to be boosted up for to the employee for to do the work. In this time or not to be brief discussion of this work of this subjective, we have to be introduced of the functions of management. What is the role of the management? Next is, and the last is a very important functions of management is controlling. Controlling is a last. First was on planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and then controlling. Controlling is a process to knowing about the actual performance and the planned performance. My point is clear? Actual performance and the planned performance. At the time, suppose I have an example. Suppose it at the time of the planning, the management has to be decided. They have to be produce a 1000 quantity, 1000 unit of the product. It is a planned output, planned quantity, planned output. But at the time of the achieving, the organization has to be manufactured only for the 990 units of the production. It means there is a deviations. It is called a deviation. That time the controlling management will be find out the reason why they have to be not to be fulfill the 1000 unit of the quantity of this product. So the controlling management has the work for they have to be control the wastage. They have to be seek out the reason. What is the reason why they have to be not to be get the plan? So they have to be under the work of controlling. Controlling is not a work for the punishment. They have to be seek out the reason. They have to be suggest to the work. They have to be motivated to the work, and they have to be control the basis of the work. One more important thing is student is planning at the time of the level of management. You have to be studied the planning and the organizing. Both are a work of top level of management. It is a work of top level of management. Because plan the policies, plan the objectives, organizing, collect the resources, physical, financial, human resources was to be done by the top level of management. And the staffing at a time of the level have to be studied too. That staffing is a work of middle level of management. Middle level of management. My point is clear? Middle level of management. And directing and controlling is the most important word. Directing and the controlling in any organizations is a both a work is by the operation level of management, supervisory level of management, or lower level of management. There to be control the basis of the resources. They have to be control the level of the wastage of the resources. They have to be boost up. They have to be increase the morale of the employee, and control for the standing plan or as per the achieved plan.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.